Ladies and gentlemen, hold onto your seats because Aston Martin has just dropped two machines so jaw-droppingly gorgeous they might just break reality itself. I'm talking about the DB12 Volante and the Vanquish Volante, unleashed in a celebration of 60 years of open-top Aston Martin glory. And let me tell you, these aren't just cars. These are rolling thunderclouds of pure British drama. First up, the DB12 Volante, a twin-turbo V8 spitting out 671 horsepower, rocketing all the way to 202 miles per hour, while looking like it was hand-sculpted by the gods of elegance themselves. But if you think that's wild, the Vanquish Volante just laughs in your face. Packing a 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12 with a staggering 824 horsepower. It's the fastest convertible Aston Martin has ever built, blasting to 214 miles per hour with the fury of a jet fighter. And don't even get me started on the details. We're talking Q Pentland Green paint, bronze accents that look like liquid fire, 21-inch satin bronze wheels, walnut veneers, and 60-year anniversary embroidery. So classy, it makes luxury itself look cheap. This isn't just design, it's Aston Martin saying, "We own beauty." But here's the kicker. Only 60 of each will ever exist. That's right, a mere 60. Meaning if you're not already writing a check with more zeros than your phone screen can handle, you're already too late. These cars aren't for drivers, they're for legends, secret agents, and anyone bold enough to stare destiny in the face and say, "Yes, I'll take mine with a side of perfection." So buckle up. The DB12 Volante and Vanquish Volante aren't just celebrating history, they're rewriting it.